Hello dear students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss some problems based on the plane figures section, right? Plane figures, we studied triangle, circle and quadrilateral, right? So based on that is some simple problems we can discuss, right? Alright. Problem is, of the three angles of a triangle, one is twice the smallest and another is three times the smallest. Then smallest angle is right. See, in a triangle, one is x, other angle is twice of this angle. Third angle is a thrice of this smallest angle. Then total sum we know 180. Right. So that is 180. Then what is then 6x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to what? 60 degree. Then the smallest angle is 60 degree only. Right? Alright. Now let us go to another question. Here one triangle given. The figure QT perpendicular to PR. This QT is perpendicular to PR. That is means this 90. And angle SPR, that is 30 degree. SPR means this angle 30 given. Right. Find x and y. Right. So this 90 means what about this? This is 90. Right. This also 90. Then this is 30. This is 90 means what about this? Total 180 only. Here 90 plus 30, 120. Then this is 60. Right. If this is 60 means this is vertically opposite angle. This also 60. Then y will be 40 plus 60. Right. 40 plus 60, 100. Remaining only y, that is 80 out of 180. Right. Now that is 80. Now we have two options showing y value 80. Then we need this angle also, x value. X value how we solve? We see this is 80 means this is a complete protractor, right? So this is 80 means this is 100. Then only total 180 come. Then here 30, here 100, 130, 130. Then here it should be from this triangle. Total angle is 150, 180, and 30 plus 100, 130. Then here 50 should come, right? Then 50 and 80. This is the option, right? All right. Now let us go to another question. Here one question is there, right? In a figure, angle x is equal to 62. This angle they given 62, and xyz, that is 54. This is 54, right? And the bisectors of a xyz, this is the bisector, and this is the bisector of yzx, that meet at O. That means total 54 means this angle is what? Half of that, that is 17, right? Not 27. This is 27 means right. Now what about the question is find YOZ. We need this angle, right? Then how we solve this angle, right? Okay, we can solve this given. Sorry, see here, this angle given, this angle fully given. Then 62 plus 54, what 6, 11. Then out of 116 we have what is remaining, right? So 420, 60, right? Then 64. Then this angle is 64 total, right? Then this angle is what? This is half of this bisector only. Then 32, right? Now 32 plus 27, that is remaining 180 only this, right? 27 plus this is x, 27 plus x plus, and this angle is 32, that is equal to 180, right? Then what is x? 180, 32 plus 27, what? 9 and 5. Then 180 minus 59, right? That is 121, right? Option D is correct. Now let us go to another question. See, the question is, one of the angle of the triangle is 65 degree, right? If the difference of the other two angles is 25 degree, the largest angle of this triangle has a measure of, right? See, one triangle is given, right? Then one of the angle what they given 65. Okay, this is angle x. Now what they given the difference of other two angle. That means this is y, this is z. Y minus z they given 25. Now we know that x plus y plus z is equal to what? 180. Out of that x they given 65. Then 65 plus y plus z is equal to 180. Then what is y plus z? 180 minus 65, that is 115. Right. And y minus z already what? 25. Now solve this and this 2 by adding. You get 2y is equal to 25, that is 140. Then what is y? Y is equal to 70. Once y getting we can solve it. Now x is 65, y what is 70. Now we can solve z also. Right, z is equal to, right, z is equal to 115 minus from this equation. 115 minus this z y. This y bring here. Y is 70. Okay, then what is the answer? 30 plus 45. Right. Then which is the largest angle? Now z is equal to we getting 45. Which is the largest angle y value? That is 70. Then option is 70 only. Right. All right. Now let us go to another question. In a figure triangle ABC given right angled at B. All right. Given AB 9 centimeter. This is 9 and AC that is 15. Right. Calculate the length of BC. This. Then you can this is right angle given. Pythagoras theorem you can apply. 15 square minus 9 square. Right. This is hypotenuse square minus altitude square, that only base square. Right, this is 225 minus this is 81. Right, then you have 4 here. Right, 4 22 minus 8, 22 minus 8, that is 144 root. Then 144 root is 12. Then option D is correct. Right. All right, now let us go to another question. See, the triangle formed by joining the midpoint of the sides of an isosceles triangle. One isosceles triangle you have, say this side equal. Then midpoint you take that you join, and its midpoint you take. Then this is another isosceles triangle, right? It never come equilateral triangle. Why? Because this side is different, so its midpoint is not equally divided, right? All right. So it is another isosceles triangle, right? Now let us go to another question. ABCD is a rhombus. See, ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD. Right. ABCD is a rhombus. A rhombus in which all side equal, all angle equal, but not parallel. But not angles are not right angle. So angle ABC they given 56. Then ACB will be, we need this angle ACB, this angle, right? So in rhombus, so this angle will be we required. This is 56 means what about this angle? Right. So 56 we need ACP value only. All right. So as per rhombus property, what you can write? Suppose this angle B, right? This angle B, adjacent angle sum will be, right, 180 degree. So this is a X. Then 56 angle B plus angle C, that is 180. Then what is angle C? Angle C is equal to 180 minus 56, 124. Right. Now they are asking this total angle, say this is 124, but we need this marked angle only. This angle only we need. That is half of 124. That is 62 only. Right. So 62 is the answer. All right. Now let us go to another question. Of all side and angles are equal to a quadrilateral, If all the sides and angles are equal to a quadrilateral, then quadrilateral is. This is a very easy question, right? You know, a quadrilateral is a four-sided closed figure. Now in square only, you know, all side equal and all angle are 90 degree, so it is a definitely a square only, right? All right, now let us go to the ratio of side and diagonals of a square, right? See, one square we can draw. Suppose side A. What is the diagonal length? Diagonal is this only, right? Then using Pythagoras theorem, this length is root a square plus a square, that is root 2a square equal to root 2a. Now they are asking the ratio of the, ratio means one side, ratio of the side divided by diagonal of the square. Diagonal is root 2a, then a cancel, then 1 by root 2. Option A is correct, right? All right. Now let us go to another question. A point P is 15 centimeter from the center of a circle and radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. Find the length of the tangent drawn to the circle from the point P. Right. So you have a circle given. Right. Now a point P, radius they given 5 centimeter. Right. Now a point P 15 centimeter from the another point, a point is 15 centimeter from the center of the circle, and from this find the length of the tangent drawn the circle from the point P. From this P I need to draw a tangent. What is the length of this tangent? So again you can use Pythagoras theorem. See, this is our tangent TP. TP length is equal to what? Hypotenuse square. This is the, because tangent and radius make a 90 degree angle. So this is the hypotenuse. TP is equal to 15 square minus 5 square. That is 225 minus 25. Then root 200. That is 10 root 2. Right. Then which is the option? Option B is correct, right? All right. Now let us go to another question. AB and CD are two parallel chords of a circle, right? AB and CD of two parallel chords of a circle lying in the opposite side, such that, so we can draw, one is AB, right? Another one is CD, right? Then CD is this. Okay, but both are parallel, and CD, AB is 16 and CD is 12, right? If the distance between the CD is AB and CD say, so their perpendicular distance, what is they given 14. The radius of the circle is, right, radius of the circle, but we know one property, this is 16, right? 16, we need, we know one property, the radius, a perpendicular drawn to perpendicular draw only we get the distance between parallel lines. If we draw like this means distance between parallel lines never get it. Now this is the radius, say, right? Now we know one thing, what we know, the radius, see, it will bisect, right? See, actually what we seen uh, a perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to a chord that will bisect. This is 16 means this is 8, right? All right, understood? Right, now how we find this radius from it? So we can do one thing, here, then this also bisect, like this is 6, and this also radius r, right? Now if this length is say x, this length is what? 14 minus x. Now for these two triangle, two triangle you see, one is this, another one is this. From both you can find r square, Pythagoras theorem. 6 square plus 14 minus x the whole square, one equation. R square is equal to x square plus 8 square, right, 8 square plus x square, another equation, right. So r square Pythagoras, now we can equate both radius same only, then 6 square plus 14 minus x the whole square, that is equal to 8 square plus x square, right. Now what we can write here, 14 minus x the whole square equal to, right. See, here we can write 8 square plus x square. Here I can put a minus x square also, right. And 8 square minus 6 square, what is 64 minus 36, right. 64 minus 36, what is that? So 14 minus 6, 6, and 6 minus 3, right, again, all right, 62, 38. So by solving, you can solve this equation by mathematically, and here one quadratic equation, you have to expand this using a minus b the whole square. So let us expand this, we have no other ways. So let me expand this, right. See here 36 is there plus, all right, and here 14 minus x, 14 square 196, minus 2 into 14 into x, that is 28x, right, plus x square, right, equal to, now here 8 square, that is 64 plus x square. Now this x square, this x square you can cancel, am I right? Now finally what we can write is 64 is equal to, I can write as 64 is equal to minus 28 x plus, right, 232, right, because here 64, 36 plus 196 minus 64, that is 232, this minus 28x, right. Now 28x is equal to 232 minus, that is 168, right. Then what is x? X is equal to 168 by 28, yes, 6 centimeter, right. So 6 centimeter is the answer, all right. That is x value, right. What we need, they are asking about the radius of the circle. Once getting x value, we can solve, so x is equal to 6, all right. Now we can x is equal to 6, and r square, what we seen, r square is equal to x square plus 64 we seen, and right, then x square is equal to uh, 6 square minus 36, right, right. R square is equal to x square plus 64, one of the formula, and here this side we can take, right. We have seen the equation, r square is equal to 14 minus x the whole square, or you can substitute here also, r square is equal to uh, x square plus 64, right. Then r square is equal to x, already we solved, what is that? 6, then 6 square, what? 36 plus 64, then r square is equal to what? That is 100, then r is equal to what? 10, right. All right, all right. Now let us go to another question. From the point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle 24 centimeter and distance of Q from the center is 25, radius of the circle is. That means from a circle, outside you have a point Q, right? So tangent to a circle is 24. So you draw a tangent from this Q, that is 24. And distance from the center is 25, they given. And what is the radius of the circle? Now by radius and tangent perpendicular we know. Then by Pythagoras theorem, what I can write? Radius square is equal to square root of 25 square minus 24 square. That is root 625 minus, right, 576, right, 576, right. Then here 24, here 25, root 49, that is 7 centimeter, right. Option A is correct, right. All right. Now let us go to another question. In the figure, TP and TQ are the two tangent to a circle center O, so that angle POQ, this angle they given 110. Then PTQ they are asking, PTQ, right. To find PTQ, we can divide this into 2, right. Now what about this angle 90? Or we can simply say this is 90, this is 90, because tangent and radius make angle 90. Now 90 plus 90, 180, right. And here 110, what is total? 9, 210, right. So 290. Now total quadrilateral angle is what? 360. Then 360 minus 290, what? That is 70 only, right. So this should be 70, right. All right. Now let us go to another question, right. So option B is correct. Angle in a semicircle is, so we already studied any semicircle enclosed angle is what? 90 degree, right. 90. Suppose it is like this also, this angle is what? 90. Any semicircle enclosed is a right angle only, right. We theoretical section we discussed, right. All right. First you come to theory studies, then come to the problem. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle only. That also we studied. See, that also theoretical. See, this is chord length 5 centimeter. This is another chord 5 centimeter. Then if this subtend center at an angle x, then this also subtend angle x at the center. Right? All right. So this all about this section. And from the plane figures we discuss previously asked net questions also later, right. Okay, thank you.